Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Have you noticed that your C drive keeps losing storage space even though you haven't downloaded any big files or installed new software? You are definitely not the only one. A lot of Windows 11 users have been facing the same problem. Well, Microsoft has finally given us the answer, but very quietly. Instead of making a big announcement, they mention it in just a one small line inside an optional Windows update. That tiny note revealed a bug that's been causing a hidden Windows folder to grow much larger than it should. On some computers, it has taken up 10 to 20 GB, and in a few cases, even 80 GB of storage. The worst part? Most people never even know it's happening because the folder is hidden, protected by Windows, and you can't even open or delete it. So, in this video, I will show you exactly what this folder is, how to check if your PC is affected, why you should never try deleting it yourself, and finally, the official Microsoft update that fixes the problem safely. So, let's get started. First, let's see where this hidden folder is located. Open File Explorer. Go to your C drive or whichever drive Windows is installed on. If you can't see hidden folders, right click on the three dot. Now click on Options. Click View and then show hidden files, folders and drivers. After that, click on Apply and then click OK. Now open these folders one by one. Program Data. Then Microsoft. After that, Windows. Here you will find a folder called Capability Access Manager. At first, the name doesn't look suspicious at all. This folder is actually part of Windows. Its job is to manage app permissions, like when an app wants to use your camera, microphone, or location. So, normally there's nothing to worry about. But because of a Windows bug, one of the files inside this folder has been growing much larger than it should. Some users found that this folder was using 10 to 20 GB, but in some cases, even 80 GB of storage. Naturally, many people tried to open the folder to see what was inside. But if you double click on it, you will most likely get an access denied message. That's because Windows protects this folder. So even an administrator usually can't open or change it. So you end up with a folder that's taking up storage space, but you can't even look inside it. Now let me explain what's actually happening. Inside this folder, Windows keeps a small database. Whenever an app asks for permission to use your camera, microphone, or location, Windows records that information here. Normally, this database stays very small, but because of a bug, a file called Capability Access Manager DB WAL file kept growing instead of cleaning itself properly. As time passed, it slowly started using more and more storage without users noticing. Now, before I show you the fix, there's one important thing you should know. You may have seen videos telling you to take up ownership of this folder or delete it manually. But please don't do that. This folder is an important part of Windows. Deleting it or changing its permissions can create problems with your camera, microphone, location services, or other apps that depend on Windows permissions. The good news is that you don't have to do anything of that. Microsoft has already released an official fix. The fix comes in the optional Windows update called KB50950993, released in late June for Windows 11 version 24H2 and 25H2. Now here's how to install it. Open Settings. Then go to Windows Update. After that, click on Check for Updates. If you don't see it right away, open Advanced Options. Then click on Optional Updates. Now look for KB5095093 and install it. Since my PC is already updated, I can't show you the update here. In Microsoft own update notes, they mention that this update improves disk space usage for the Capability Access Manager DB WAL file. That's the same file responsible for the storage issue. After installing the update, simply restart your PC. Windows will automatically clean up the unnecessary data. You don't have to delete anything or use any third-party software. Everything is handled safely by Windows. Now you might be wondering, how do I know if my PC is affected? It's very easy to check. Open Settings, then go to System. After that, click on Storage. Next, select Show More categories. Now look at System and Reserved. If this section has become much larger recently without any obvious reason, there's a chance this bug is affecting your computer. Keep in mind that not everyone will lose 65 to 80 GB. Some users only lost 10 to 20 GB, while others reported much more. Either way, it's storage you should not be losing. If you don't want to install the optional update today, that's okay too. Microsoft usually rolls fixes like this into the next patch security update, which is automatically installed on supported Windows 11 PCs. So if you skip this optional update, you will still get the fix through a future Windows update. However, if your C drive is already running low on storage, I would recommend installing it now instead of waiting. That way, you can stop the unnecessary storage usage as soon as possible. The thing is, Windows doesn't always let us know when something like this is happening behind the scenes. That's why it's a good idea to keep your PC up to date and stay informed about these kinds of fixes. So that's it for today. If this tutorial helped you, then don't forget to like and share the video. And if you are new here, then make sure to subscribe my channel. Your support really motivates me. Thank you. Thanks for watching.